Good morning, guys. It is almost 10 o'clock. I've been up for a while. Kiki actually decided to wake me up at about 4 o'clock in the morning, throwing up for whatever reason. And so I went and I cleaned that up because I didn't, just in case we had to like get up and go in the morning or like later on in the morning. I didn't want to like have to step on that, and I also wanted to make sure it was clean and not let it just sit there. I was gonna just make like a quick coffee, getting meowied, and then we would head off, but I'm actually kind of hungry right now and I can eat pretty quickly, so I'm just decided to get up, get ready to go. Feed Kiki because she also woke me up an hour or so ago saying she was hungry, and I figured that way she's got food in her already. And anyway, I'm rambling now. Look, I think the rain's finally stopped. It looks like it may be sprinkling and there's just a light breeze. So we're finally heading out to Saratoga. Oh, there's one car up there I see, but literally there's a car all the way up there. That's the first car we've seen. Oh, there's another one. But it is so weird. It's like a ghost town.
I sometimes forget it's there. And I'm like,
So
oh, yeah.
cooking.
Yeah, I don't have it on.
Found a sheet.
I have it on my old
Turns out it was in the oven.
I like went on it.
Papa. There you go. Yeah. So I am currently, we're at Saratoga Springs, staying with some friends, and it's really, I mean, it's a little windy. It's rainy. It started raining around noon and it's been raining all day. There is, I don't think I mentioned this yet, there is a travel ban. I don't know if it's just on the guests here or if it's just in general, but there's a travel ban, basically a curfew from 6 o'clock tonight till 7 o'clock tomorrow, I want to say. So we... Don't do it like this. But yeah, it hasn't gotten too bad just yet. Literally the only cars I see driving around, the only people I see walking around are cast members, probably serving the guests here. They handed out supply kits and snacks and things for the guests here, which I think is also very nice that they did that. There's like free movies and they're doing some extra special things as well. I'm sure if we had a resort that had more of like a central hub, like say like Grand Floridian or the Polynesian with their main lobby, that there would be more activities going on, but unfortunately we're so far away from the central hub there's like no point. But it's okay, we brought in like a lot of snacks and things, and we're staying in a kitchen unit so we can make eggs. I made cookies already, like I said, and we brought some other food and things to get Jared and I, and also the family we're staying with through the next day and a half. Jared and I literally are not allowed to leave until it's either 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow, so that ought to be interesting. I don't know what we're going to do because we needed to go grocery shopping and I have work at 9 o'clock on Tuesday, so I'm hoping they'll do like a delayed opening thing, but I don't know, honestly. I may just have to kind of survive on vending machine food that day, so we will see. But let's take a safe walk around the resort.
Go with flip-flops, since I don't want to deal with any wet socks.
steps are really slippery. And being in flip-flops. Oh, for those who are wondering, we're staying at Saratoga. Yeah, it's a little windy. I mean, just a little bit.
So do they have housing for you for tonight?
Good.
Oh, really? That's good.
So much water. We're like walking up the river. There's a lot of debris. He was really nice.
Aboard.
The bus driver was really sweet, but I can imagine him being really bored.
If I was him, I'd be like sitting on my phone, just like.
And they'd be like,
watching
oh my god,
YouTube
people!
videos.
Oh my gosh, people!
There's the food.
Found food. It's a horsey! I found people! Okay. Saratoga Storm Racers, please join us in the performance hall for great family fun activities. Oh, it smells good in here. Oh, Jared, they got Battleship and a puzzle. Yay! Oh, look at all of the water. All of the water. I have it somewhere.
I know. That's why I asked you to have my autograph.
I have it somewhere. I don't know. That they had so you can go in and then go out because they had so many people. Yeah, no one's here because they close soon. This is a good idea. Staying at a Disney resort when there's a major hurricane. I think we should do this every year. Every year there's a major hurricane. And I mean like category 3 or higher.
You mean Disney shut down hurricane?
Yeah, Disney shut down hurricane. We should get a room at a Disney resort and stay.
But that won't work.
Why?
You'll never be able to do this again.
What's nice is the bus driver, whose name was Kyle, I didn't realize this, but he waited for us as we were shopping. And as soon as, because like where he parked was close to where we were, wasn't where he was supposed to park, but it was close to where we were getting off. Sorry, my hair is everywhere. There's a tornado warning in the area. And as we were getting off, the radio was like, whoop! My flip-flops are really wet. It's really slippery. I have the magic band. I've never made fettuccine without salt or any spices. And I have this and very vanilla milk. So let's see how this works. Alrighty, the Mickey Mouse noodles are cooking. Oh. And I'm gonna use Jared's milk, and I found some salt. Alright, we got, it's strained a little bit. It's a lot thicker than I anticipated. I think it cooked too long. Poured in some of Jared's milk. And I have some salt. This should be enough salt. I never actually measure how much salt I use. It's pretty much just whatever. So I'm using 4 of these little packets. And it looks like it'll be enough. I decided to use regular milk instead of soy milk because my soy milk is very vanilla. And it's gonna taste really sweet. So we'll use that for creamer tomorrow. Not bad. You can't really see the shapes. But not bad. I think that's actually a hand. No, this one's a hand. And then Mickey. I think this is Mickey. Can't really tell. But actually, it's really good. It's 8 o'clock. Let's do our last check on everything. Going to the top floor again. Ooh, what's under there? What is that? I'm trying to see. Oh, it's windy. I'm trying to see the trees moving over there. Let's see, let's go back down here and see if you can see anything. Oh, I'm getting wet. It's not too bad. I'm getting like really wet from this window right here. The wind's blowing straight over. It just looks like a big thunderstorm, really. Alright guys, now that I've gotten wet again and my phone is drizzled on, I'm going to bid you guys good night. Tonight the hurricane hits, so we'll see you post Irma, or more or less. Good night guys.